solve the Zip-Zap-Zoom problem. First we need to check whether a given number is a multiple of another number. X is a multiple of y if the remainder is 0 while dividing x by y. According to our question, we need to check following conditions. If one condition is not satisfied, we need to check the next one, and so on. Which selection control structure do you think we have to use here? Definitely else-if ladder. Let's try writing the solution. I have already coded it. Let's have a look. Let's identify the values to test this program. We definitely need one multiple of 3. Let's choose 6. We need to have multiple of 5. Let's choose 10. And one which is multiple of 3 and 5. Let's choose 30. We also need one more number which is not a multiple of 3 and 5. Let's choose 7. Let's test it using these 4 values. Let's test it for number 6. We observe that output is correct. Let's test it for value 10. It is also correct for value 10. Let's test it for 30. But when we give 30, we get the output as zip instead of zoom. So we have a problem. Let's look at our code and see what went wrong. Since 30 is also divisible by 3, control goes inside first if and nothing else is executed. So the condition in second elif has to be checked first. So let's modify the code and observe the output. Let's run the code. Now it should work. We observe that now the output is correct. Let's retest it for other values. Let's check it for value 6. It is correct for value 6. Let's check it for value 10. It is also correct for value 10. Let's check it for value 7. It is correct for value 7 also. So here is the solution for Zip-Zap-Zoom problem. Hope you had got it correct.